So I have done the final clear coat on this one. This one's looking absolutely gorgeous. So the paint stripper didn't really quite work, as always with me, so it only took like some of the paint stripper off. I used went through 2 cans of nitromors with these. Yo guys, welcome back to Modify Weekly. Today we've got a lovely little video in store for you. I'm going to be taking off these alloys, getting them back to bare metal, and again attempting to spray something that I really shouldn't be spraying. But these alloys are awful, they're peeling and flaking and chipping. So I just want to do something about them because they're horrendous. So let's get this side jacked up, both of these off, nitromors on the alloys, and get started. And obviously the first thing you've got to remember to do before you start jacking the car up is to crack your wheel nut. So mine's like a little spline tool because I don't know why I bought these locking, well not the locking wheel nuts, but they're wheel nuts that fit these alloys. So just get those all uncracked. When your jack refuses to pump because I think it's out of fluid, you get your car jack up the front and put your axle stand underneath, and then jack up the rear and leave your jack there because you're not working underneath it. With your unloosened bolts, you can just get your little tool, or my little tool, and take that out. And then do that all the way around for the front and the rear, and then you can make a start on these 2 alloys, which are the worst. So let's get that done. I'm getting all the old paint off the alloys. We've got some lovely, decent actual paint stripper called nitromors.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
2 cans of that, 2 alloys each, 1 can, and a nylon paintbrush. Nylon tip paintbrush. So let's just paste all this nitromors on and watch it strip. So it is another day. Yesterday didn't go too well. Last thing you saw was me stripping the alloys, and well, this is how it turned out. The paint stripper didn't really quite work, as always with me, so it only took like some of the paint stripper off. I used went through 2 cans of nitromors with these stupid alloys, and yeah, as you can see here, I think it's powder coat. I think these alloys are powder coated, so it's not coming off. So I've basically given up with these 2 alloys. Alloys are going to get taken off and stripped another day. So what we're doing, rather than bother than stripping these, the condition of them aren't that bad. There's not much curbing, and if you wipe away the dirt, there is a nice coat of black on them. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to prime over what's there, and then that one as well, and spray it gold and basically give up. So let's get these ones off this side and get it done. So we have got the alloys off the car, they're over here. I'm going to give them a quick wipe down with a wet rag. This one's got a little bit of curb rash to it, so I'm going to have to get a little sanding pad and then get that out. This one's fine, I'm just going to give it a wipe down, get all the old dust off, and then primer it. It's all cleaned up. Now, learning from the horrible mistake I did with the wing, I've now got some high build etch primer, so it's chemically better to bond to alloy, and it wasn't that expensive, so it should be a nice higher build primer to make a better base for doing the alloys. So let's get ahead and do that. Well, first I've got to mask the alloys off so I don't get primer everywhere. But I know you can buy those things you put around tyres, but I've only got duct tape. But duct tape works really well because you can slide the tape in. If I rip a bit off here, it'd be very hard to show you with one hand. I'll show you with a small bit. So if I get the tape, I can actually slide it. See how it went up and underneath the lip of the tyre? And then I can flatten it against the tyre lip and flatten it over, and basically that's what I've done all the way around. So let's just been looking at these alloys, there are a few kind of spots here that I want to sort out, so I'm just going to get some sandpaper and sort those little curb brushes out. So we have got one alloy fully primered. Just letting that dry now, and then we're going to make I've made a start on getting all these curb ashes out of this one. This one was a little bit worse than that one. I'm going to try and get all the curb ashes out, give it a nice light sand, as I did with that one. I didn't show it, but give it a nice light sand, get all the crap out, and then primer that one. Well, this alloy is actually really touch dry now, and it's really quite smooth, so I'm going to actually just try and spray it gold now. Fuck it, let's go for it. Spray it gold. I was going to use gold enamel paint, but I ended up getting this gold metallic paint. So I don't know how it's going to turn out. I was going to use standard gold paint or try and colour match. Colour match is well expensive, so we just got Nissan gold for now. And spray it on, see how it turns out. If it's ugly, then it ain't staying, but if it's nice, then it is. Well, England, so it's raining. I've had to resort to another shed. I put the first bit of gold on, and it's coming out quite nicely. Well, I'm happy with it. So I'm probably going to have to put a sheet in here and carry on spraying in here. So this was the driver's side alloy, so I've had to do a bit of more of a repair on it because it still needs bits like there, and there's really one big gash over here. Should have really got some filler, but all I've got is some 40 grit sandpaper and then loads of sheets of like 400, 1200, 24, so 2400. And I'm just going to do a little bit of, because it's raining, obviously you can see, but I'm just going to do a little bit of a restoration on this one because it does need it, and if I don't do it, it's going to turn out disgusting. So I'm just currently doing that now, getting all the curb marks out. I'm going to give it a light sand for the primer to stick to, then prime this one when the other one's finished drying. I've got most of the curbing out. They're in no way, shape or form going to turn out as good as a shop can get them, but if they go gold and they look alright from afar, then what's the problem? This side is going to need completely stripping, so I've got a shop that's going to do that, and that's going to get done Thursday. But into my shed, and we've got this coat on here. It looks fine to me, in all honesty. Meanwhile, whilst the weather's holding up and it's not raining, I'm going to get this one primer dry. You see, touch dry all the way across. It's really nice and smooth. We are going to clear coat it now, and the rain has calmed down, so while that one's in the shed drying and this one has been fully primered, see I've got all the curb brushes out, I'm gonna just spray it gold out here. It's nice and sunny now for some reason. In the light it looks absolutely amazing. Like, I'm really happy with how it's like coming out and how the paint and the gold is actually really nice. I have done the final clear coat on this one. This one's looking absolutely gorgeous, but I have put the alloy on this one. It didn't come out as good as I would like it to. It's still got some rough patches, but as far as visual effects, it looks perfectly fine to me. So now this one is dry. Let's do the same thing and remove the tape. Ooh. Satisfying is that? And boom, that alloy come out a lot better than that one. It's fine, it's dry. Let's get it on the car, because you've got this side with the junky alloys, and then you come around this side and it looks absolutely bad. I'm actually really happy with how it's turned out. Like, you've got the gold alloys now with the black Subaru, the black wing. Not the best spray job in the world, but it would do. So yeah, I'm really quite happy with how that's turned out. Get these alloys completely stripped at a shop because it is beyond my repair So join us back when these are stripped. They're going to primer them and spray them. Alloys back from the shop, and they did a really good job of it, getting it back to bare metal. Like, I couldn't have asked for a better job, to be honest. I've still got to sand out some curbing, but other than that it should be fine. Let's get the alloys off again for the 4th time. Back and done on this side. I can move it from the jacks and then it's pretty much done. So no way, shape or form the best paint job in the world, but they're gold and they're done. So if you did like this video, be sure to give it a lovely thumbs up, and drop, if you're new around here, subscribe for more great videos on the Subaru as well as the Honda. We'll see you next time.